I'm here to demonstrate how to use the Pop On Veneers. I was looking to get my teeth done because, as you can see, they're very yellow and I had some missing teeth on the side. So I was looking to get my teeth done. And first I went to the dentist and to look at some implants or some veneers, and the prices was outrageous. So I was still doing some research online. I came across Pop On Veneers, and I sent away for it. They sent me an in-home impression kit. In less than 2 days, I received my impression kit. I did the impression kit and I sent it back. And in less than 2 weeks, I got my Pop On Veneers. And here's what they look like. This is what I got. A top and a bottom in natural white. So here's how you put them on. These are the bottoms. Now see my teeth? Now you see my regular teeth, right? Gap here, gap there. Teeth are kind of like messed up a little bit. So here we go. Bottom, now the top. And this is what I got. Look at that. I love it. They look amazing. If you're interested, go to the website, Pop On Veneers, and they'll look you out. Cheese.